Hello, friends. Today we are going to do a couple more things to do with the safari. But our first activity is Max, stop. Our first activity is how to dress for a safari. So remember, we made our binoculars that we can use for a safari. Sorry, my dog is talking to me too. And so we made our binoculars for our safari. I have on a safari hat. I have on some safari clothes and some boots to wear so I can hike through the jungle. So how would you dress for a safari? What do you think? Because a safari is in a jungle where it's usually hot, but it's wet and rainy. So how would you get dressed for your safari? I want to see pictures of you dressed up for your safari. And then you can also do it with a couple other challenges, like how would you dress for a trek through Antarctica to find the polar bears? Would it be hot or cold? Would you wear sandals or boots? What would you take with you? You can do this to practice dressing for any occasion, and it would be super fun to pretend to go on your safari. So once you're dressed for your safari, you're going to need snacks for your adventure. So your challenge today in the kitchen is to make trail mix to take with you on your safari. So what kind of snacks do you think that you would put in a trail mix to take to the jungle? So make your trail mix, get dressed for your safari. Then we're going to make a safari map. Now, I made a safari map. I put vines and leaves all over it. I made sure to put my compass so I know which way's north, south, east, and west. And then I drew my property. We've got my house, our garage, and our chicken coop. So I drew a map, which Mom and Dad can help you with to make your safari map. And then Mom and Dad could maybe take some of your stuffed animals and hide them all over your safari map and then mark where they are. See, I put a red X on my map where I hid my stuffed animal, and I put it in the chicken coop. So I'm going to have to go on my safari adventure and see if I can find my chicken coop and see if I can find my animal. So make a map. Have Mom and Dad hide your wild animals or your stuffed animals, and then use your binoculars, get dressed, and go on your safari. Don't forget to eat your safari treats when you're done. And our last activity, once you've found your animals, we want to talk about how tall they are. And especially, we want to talk about how tall a giraffe is. This is my little baby giraffe. Her name is Twigs because her legs are very tiny, like little twigs. So, this is my little baby giraffe. Say hi, Twigs. And I want to know, how tall do giraffes get? Can you guys answer me? Try to figure it out or try to guess. How tall do you think giraffes are? Now, baby giraffes aren't as tall as an adult giraffe. So how tall do you think an adult giraffe is? Then, once you figure out how tall each of the animals are that you've found, I want you to see if you can toss a beanbag in the air as far as you can to see if you can throw it as high as the giraffe is, or whatever animal it is you found. So this is practicing hand-eye coordination and things like that, large motor skills, and they're guessing the heights of things and measurement skills. So I'm going to use my giraffe because I don't have a beanbag, but I'm going to say, I think the giraffe is tall as that tree. And then I'm going to toss it up and see if I can catch it. So we are dressing for our safari, getting safari snacks, making a map of our safari plan. Mom and Dad are hiding wild animals around the house or the yard, whatever you can do. I know it's kind of cold out today, so maybe you want to stay inside the house. So draw the blueprints of your house. And then you don't even have to draw the whole blueprints. You can just draw a picture of where that animal is. Like if it's on the couch, draw the couch, put a red X on the couch where it's at. So hide your wild animals and let your child go on their wild animal safari. And then once you find your animals, talk about how big those animals are and see if you can toss beanbag up to their height. All right, that's all I have. I can't wait to see your safaris. I want to see pictures of your safari outfits. I want to see all the wild animals you find. I'd love to see your safari maps. Show me anything you can to show me that you saw the video and you enjoyed it and you had fun. I love you, friends. Bye.